Another claim is that North Carolina's recent tax changes amount to tax cuts for the wealthy and tax increases for everyone else. How many people have heard this claim about? We just published a study of this issue, the Locke Foundation did just last week. We commissioned the Beacon Hill Institute of Massachusetts to take a look at North Carolina's tax changes in 2013 and some previous ones, and try to evaluate or assign how much of the tax cut went to people at various household income levels. For example, we took the 2013 tax bill, and this is everything that happened. So it's the decline, the cut in income tax rates. It's the increase in standard deduction. But it's also the elimination of personal exemptions. It's a somewhat of an increase in the sales tax burden. There's a variety of different things that happen. Some taxes went up, some taxes went down, effectively. So this is the net effect of all these different things. We decided to do it in totals. So for people who made $25,000, households I should say, who made $25,000 or less, there's a total of about $79 million of tax relief for that poorest income group. And you can see there's $68 million for the next income group. For this group, there's $58 million. For this group, there's $78 million. So there's roughly in the neighborhood of $300 million of tax relief that flows from the 2013 bill to households that make poor or middle income or upper middle income incomes. Okay. Now, if the claim that I talked about earlier was correct, if this was correct, all these numbers should be on the other side of the axis. They have to be tax increases. So even if we're wrong about this, maybe instead of 79, maybe we're overestimating it, it's only 63, or 52, or 47. It's still a positive number. So on average, households in the poorest income category got a tax cut. Now any argument, any claim is open to rebuttal. We could be wrong. We could either be, maybe we used the wrong definitions. I don't think we did, but maybe someone could argue we should use different definitions of economic status than household income. Or we could have different, we could have wrong premises, or we could have missed something, we could have made some detail error or whatever. But it's simply not true that we made an error that if we had not made the error, it would have been the other way, $300 million. It's just not possible. It's mathematically impossible for the left's claim to be true.